In this video, we are going to discuss about the types of neural system in humans. Now, there are two types of neural system. One is central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. So, about this central nervous system, you all know about that the brain and spinal cord comprises the central nervous system. Now, what is the important function of this? It is the site for information processing and control. Only with the help of central nervous system, we can control our involuntary as well as voluntary activities. Now, what about this peripheral neural system? Peri means, the word peri means surrounding. Now, this peripheral nervous system comprises of spinal nerves and cranial nerves. So now spinal nerves are associated with spinal cord and cranial nerves are associated with the brain. So that's why here they have given the definition, all the nerves associated with central nervous system. Understood? Now this PNS can be grouped into three important components. One will be the somatic neural system, second one autonomic neural system, and the third one is the visceral nervous system. Now somatic neural system, so they relay impulses from central nervous system to skeletal muscles. So what they are doing here, what is the function of it? The electric signals will be sent in the form of nerve impulse, will be sent from central nervous system, that is brain and spinal cord, to skeletal muscles. So what is happening here? The electric signals in the form of impulses has been sent from central nervous system to skeletal muscles. So this is called as somatic neural system. And next one is autonomic neural system. So now what is this autonomic neural system? It transmits impulses from central nervous system to the involuntary system and smooth muscles. What is the involuntary systems? Like our digestion process, respiration process, excretion process, most probably we will be saying all this kind of things as metabolic activities. All these metabolic activities cannot be controlled by our body. So this cannot be controlled by us. So that's why this is considered as involuntary actions like digestion, respiration, all these kind of things. So now this autonomic neural system, what they are doing, they are transmitting impulses in the form of electric signals from central nervous system to involuntary system and smooth muscle. The muscles which are covering our most of our organs will be the smooth muscle. So that's why, so they have mentioned here. So what is autonomic neural system? So they are transmitting electric signals in the form of impulses from central nervous system to involuntary system and smooth muscles. So this is called as autonomic neural system. So now this autonomic neural system has been classified into two types. One is sympathetic and next one is parasympathetic. You have already studied about the sympathetic neuron and parasympathetic nervous system in the body fluids and circulation. So this sympathetic neuron, for example, it will increases the heartbeat. The parasympathetic neuron will be decreasing the heartbeat. All this we have already discussed in the body fluids and circulation. Now what about this visceral nervous system? The word visceral is indicating about all the organs that are present inside our body. So now it is the part of the PNS that comprises the whole complex of nerves, fibers, ganglia and plexuses by which the impulses travel from the CNS to the viscera and from the viscera to the CNS. So what they are doing, so the visceral nervous system is nothing but it includes all the nerves that are present in our whole body. So now whatever actions we needed, for example, if so consider this as a kidney. So now suddenly, this kidney have to eliminate the waste product. So now what will happen? The nerves associated with this kidney will instantly it will transmit the nerve signal. So in the form of impulses to the central nervous system. Now what it will do? Now this signal will be transmitted to central nervous system, and the central nervous system will send the signal in the form of nerve impulse to the target organ, so that the elimination of waste product can easily occur. So this is what our visceral nervous system is functioning. So it is the part of peripheral nervous system that comprises the whole complex of nerves. So each and every nerve that is included in our body.